Welcome to the Bell plant of Litchfield. Employees must park in the employee parking lot. Large trucks should park at the back of the parking lot. Trucks must stage in the employee parking lot and wait to be called down. Use caution when crossing the street. Press the button to activate the flashing signal at the crosswalk. We remind you that taking pictures throughout the site is prohibited without permission. You may be asked to review and sign a non-disclosure agreement. To ensure the smooth running of your visit, please pay attention to the following rules. Back-in parking is required in front of the plant and the employee parking lot. Upon arrival, sign in at the reception area. By signing in, you certify that you are familiar with the safety and hygiene instructions in place. Please view and sign the contractor and visitor safety policy. Please watch the safety video very carefully. A Bell employee will meet you at the reception area. Make sure you always remain with that person. Watches and all jewelry must be removed. Within the production areas, you must respect good manufacturing practices and wear the required clothing and personal protective equipment. Hearing protection, safety glasses, a hard hat, hairnets, and a lab coat will be provided for you. Beard nets and dust masks are also available if needed. Hearing protection is required in all production areas. Follow the flow in the personal sanitary vestibule. Always use the handrails when walking through the soul washer. Walk through the soul washers, foot baths, or foamers. Wash and disinfect your hands very thoroughly. Plant exterior and interior rooms are under video surveillance at all times. The company property is smoke and tobacco free. This includes the employee parking lot. Eating and drinking are prohibited except in permitted areas. Do not attempt a left turn out of the plant with a trailer. Electric company transformers should be left alone. They are marked and locked. All doors must be closed when not in use. Any overhead door is on a timer and will close automatically. Do not block paths to exterior doors and do not block doors from the outside. It may be needed in case of an emergency. Doors are locked with number codes for security of the plant. Codes are changed periodically. Some areas have restricted access. Be aware of special tasks such as welding and grinding, especially in maintenance shops. Hot work permits are required. First aid kits are available throughout the plant. First aid and CPR trained employees are available on every shift. 3 AEDs are available. One is located outside of the lab near the mini department, one is located outside of the fondue break room, and the third is in the front office. In case of burns or exposures to chemical products, use the safety showers. Be aware of wet floors. The ground in the workshops might be slippery. Walk slowly. Signs are used to warn of slick floors in some areas. Use caution in hallways and at doorways. Overhead lights with red bulbs indicate a door is opening to the hallway. Be aware there are forklifts and vehicle traffic throughout the facility. Mirrors are posted on walls and ceilings in high traffic areas. To prevent any risk of falling, always take the stairs holding the railing firmly. Be aware of machines and never reach into a machine that is running. Bell employees and contractors are not allowed to enter permit-required confined spaces unless they have a permit. These areas are marked. Electric cabinets are marked and locked. Only authorized personnel may access the electrical cabinets. The PA is used to warn in case of emergency. Fire detection and alarm systems are in place. The evacuation signal is given by the fire alarm. In case of alarm, follow your escort to your designated meeting area. Evacuate the premises through the emergency exit door and meet at the gathering point, which is located at the employee parking lot across the street. Please note we make every effort to make sure your visit is a smooth one. Nevertheless, you are responsible for your own safety.